Okay. Roseanne, can you read this one? Yes. Okay, so let's go for next person. Maggie, can you read this one? Yeah.
Pali syntax refers to the grammatical rules and structures that govern how words are combined to form phrases, clauses, and sentences in the Pali language, the sacred language of Theravada Buddhism, because Pali is a highly inflected Middle Indo-Aryan language. Its syntax relies heavily on case ending rather than strict word order to determine the function of words. Flexibility, because words roles are defined by their ending. Example, O for subject, M for object. The word order is highly flexible.
Okay. So first, you must know Pali is not like English, all right? For example, we give an example like this, okay? Now, if I give an example, Buddho, okay, Buddho, let's say I use the word gachati. And another one is Buddham. Okay. Do you see the difference between Buddho gachati and Buddham gachati? Start with the, okay, maybe let's ask somebody who learn Sister Buddhika Chung. Okay, what's the difference between Buddho gachati and Buddham gachati?
Buddho is a nominative.
Mm,
Buddhang is accusative.
okay. Yes. So how should we translate the word Buddho gachati? How should I translate it?
How?
How to translate it? Gachati it goes, right?
Yes.
So Buddho is the Buddha. So how should I
The
translate it?
Buddha goes.
Okay, yeah. So the Buddha goes. But if you have Buddham gachati, what's the difference between how should I translate? This is an accusative, yes, we know. So how should I translate it? So this is a subject here, all right? So
Yeah.
Buddham is the
Object.
okay, object, yes. Yeah. So how should I translate this sentence?
Gachati.
Gachati is he goes. He
Yes,
goes,
he goes.
then goes to the
He goes to the Buddha.
okay. So okay, now do you see that the difference here? The word order are defined by the ending, all right? O is subject, is the object, all right? So when you say Buddho gachati and Buddham gachati, so these two are different because the ending. So that's why we call it in Pali. Pali is called highly inflected. Inflected means like what we learn Buddho, Buddha, Buddham, Buddha, Buddhe, Buddha, you know? The ending part will change and change and change, all right? So this is called inflection. It's happening also in German language. As far as I know, I never studied German. All right. Okay. So the syntax relies heavily on case ending. So we see the case ending like o, a, a, ena, ena, a, b, a, he, right? Like o, budo is a case ending. Is a case ending. So this is called case ending. So when you learn Pali, you cannot put in your mind like English. You have to be a little bit more flexible. Okay. Now, so we see this as a Buddho gachati, the Buddha goes. Buddham gachati, because ti means he. So we know he goes to the Buddha. So the example is not the Buddho and Buddham is different, even though it look quite same. Okay, Buddho gachati and Buddham gachati, but they are different because of case ending are different. Okay, so I hope you're clear about this. Okay, let's look at next example. We are going slow here, quite slow. Okay, now is a verb. Okay, I will put now and verb here. Verb means kadati, kadisati, kadeya, kadatu. All these are verb. Now, we are learning the new things. Today, we are going to learn Pali syntax, but we are also revising our old lesson. Revising means we will revise about present tense. We will revise about future tense. We'll learn about optative, imperative. Okay, now, okay. So we look at this example. Kumaro, boy or prince. Kadati is a present tense, eats or chew. Future, kadisati. Okay, you know it's a future because isa. Will eat, will chew. Optative is aya. So would or should or might eat or chew. Imperative will be the boy or prince may eat or let the boy eat and so on. So imperative. So this is first example, noun and verb. Okay, I think this is quite straightforward. So second example, you have noun and verb. All right. Now this noun means it's a subject. So we're going to write more here. I put a lot of blank space here is for you all to write as you learn. I hope you don't just look at the screen only. So this is a subject. Okay, so we know the verb already. Now, for this noun, this is a subject here. Now, on the number 2, you have noun, and verb. So, if you have noun and verb, there must be something is subject. There must be something as a object. So, Kumaro, boy, Puliso, man, Puvam, cake, Bujati, is. So, how should I translate this sentence? A boy, a man, eats the cake. So normally we will try to put the verb at the last place. Now, Kumaro Puriso Pubam. You know the subject is because it's a masculine. Kumala is a masculine. Purisa is also masculine. So nominative. So now if you want, you can write more. It's a masculine, nominative, singular. And then Pubam. Okay, now Pubam, what is the case? Sister Guat Ching Chua. What is the case for Pubam? Is it the nominative? Okay, so we make mention. So is it nominative here? What do you think, Sister Guat Ching Hua? It's an object, so what should it be?
It's not nominative.
Yeah, it should be. It's not nominative. It should be the
Accusative.
yes, accusative, right? So yeah, it's so simple. Okay, now Bujati is what kind of verb? Is it past tense, future tense, or what?
Present tense.
Present tense, first person,
Bujati.
second person, third person?
Third person.
Third person, singular, plural?
Singular.
Okay. Okay, easy. All right, so how should we translate sentence? Very easy. A man, you write a boy or a man eats a cake. All right, because it's singular. So you have to write a boy or a man eats a cake. Okay. So noun, verb. Now, remember the first one is noun and verb. Second one is noun and verb. Okay, now we are going to write in different way. Put the puam first. Puriso, kumaro, bunjati. All right, we are going to put the first word here. Okay, so I'm going to ask questions. So to hope you are awake. Thomas. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now do you see the difference between this sentence and this sentence? What the difference?
The difference is the position of the subject and the object.
Okay, so does it make difference in the translation? How shall we translate it?
Since the cake cannot eat the boy, I think it doesn't make too much of a difference.
Okay, so it's the same sentence, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Yes, the translation is same, all right? So that's why we say in Pali, just now we look at it, all right? It's not following the word order like English. English must be the boy eats the cake. The boy or the man must come first. Okay, but Pali, we can change it. We can put the cake first. We can put the boy later. All right. So main thing is case ending. All right. Case ending is more important. All right. Let's say we are going to have fun. All right. So let's change it to like the Thomas say the cake eat the boy. Okay. So how should we change it? How should we make it as the cake eat the boy? The cake is a subject. How are you going to change it?
Pu,
Puvo.
Puvo,
Ah.
Purisang,
Okay. Prisam or Pu
Bun,
Kumarang.
Kumarang,
Okay.
Bunjati.
Okay. So this is so the meaning is wrong, right? So yeah. So we know we don't look at the ending part. Okay. So of course, if we literally we're going to put like this will be a cake, a man, eat. Yeah. But the Pali don't act in this way. We look at the case ending. All right. So even though you put the puvam in the second place, or you put the puvam in the first place, it doesn't matter. The main thing is the case ending. All right. The case ending is the most important here. All right. So you all don't confuse. So we'll look at the case ending. All right. Okay. Now it's
Sayaji, Maggie here.
yes,
If
Maggie.
you want to change the sentence like cake eat by man or boy, can we do
Okay.
that?
Yes. So it's become, if you want to do it, it become passive. All right. Now this is active, So far what we learn here, we are looking at the active, all right? So if you want to passive, you have to write another way. So you have to put like the Thomas say, Puvo, Puri, Sena. Now passive is Bunji Yati. Right? So you have to write cake by man is eaten. Right. So for this iya, okay, you have to, if you're interested, I actually want you all to get familiar with this book. So for passive, you can look at the Pali Make Easy. There's this one, lesson 33. 130. Okay. So we just jump forward. It's okay, no harm. 130. Okay, 130. Okay, passive, all right. Is formed with the iya, like just now. Ban, da, ti, you plus the iya in between. They say ti, you plus the iya. It's like English, you put the is, it's expound, like it is expounded. Karate, karoti become kariyati. Is he does become it is done, all right? So you can look at this way if you want to make the sentence. All right, okay. So you can refer to this. So this, the way I teach is very different from the past time. But past time, everybody just follow the Pali Make Easy. So they will not want to jump to other lesson. But for me, I think it's good you look forward, look forward to see other chapter, get to know them, and then your mind will be very clear instead of waiting for chapter to chapter. Because by the time, if you wait for lesson 15, it will take you 1 year, too long. Now with the AI, even you can ask the AI to compose a sentence for you in Pali also. Yeah, and they will make less mistake. Okay. All right. So you all understand the meaning of word order is not important. The most important is the case ending. All right. Okay. Now next one. You have noun and infinitive and verb. All right. Okay. Next. Okay. Now we go to ask the next student. Who is on the okay? Those are not called before. Sister Chai I already called already. Who else are not in the name list? Okay. Okay, Senani, Arayo, Jetum, Utahati. Okay. All right. Senani means it can be, remember now, Senani, it can be singular or plural, right? So don't be confused. All right. Okay, now, Senanis. Now, how do you know it's a plural? Because Senani can be singular plural. You know it's plural because you look at the enti. Enti is a present tense, third person, plural. So generous, enemies, you have the infinitive jetum. We see a tum already. To win, to conquer. So the general utahati, get up, rise up to conquer the enemies. So enemies here, who's the subject? Subject will be Senani. Object will be enemy, all right? Now you need to, after you learn this, then you need to write down the Senani is masculine, nominative plural. Arayo will be masculine, acquisitive plural. Jetin will be infinitive, all right? So like this, then your mind is clear with no doubts. So this is how you put a noun and infinitive and verb. Okay. So let's say if we don't want to put the verb, we just put like this. Sene araya jetum. The sentence is not complete because there's a no verb ending. So if you're going to write that, this means the general, if you're going to write like this, the meaning will be generous to conquer enemies. So the sentence is not complete. There's no verb. So you need a verb, right? Okay, so this example is actually quite clear. Now, we can make this sentence more difficult, more complicated. We put a senani arayo ida akan tua jetung utahati. Okay. So you can write down senani is masculine, nominative plural is a subject here. So first thing you all need to know must identify. Minimally in any word, there should be a verb, there should be a subject here, right? Like English word goes. The goes means he goes. Or you say go. It's a command, means you go. So any verb there should be a subject. But maybe there's no object. But here subject, object, place. Okay. After that you write down. So this is a masculine. All right. Okay, so masculine, normally single plural for senani. Alio is a masculine also, nominative, accusative plural for arayo. Ida is a place. Agantua means having come or after come. After coming here, so Ida agantua together. After coming here, the general rise out to conquer the enemies. Okay, so this sentence is quite okay. So you got noun and noun, place, gerund, infinitive verb. So it become more complicated. But if you know what is the okay, now we look at this same example also. Let's say if we are going to change the place, we are going to swap like this. So the sentence we just need to swap it. We are going to put the arayo first. Okay, we're going to put arayo first. Okay, so it's also possible. Okay, it's possible because like I said, the word order in Pali is not important. The main important thing you must know which is the subject, which is the object. So arayo senani ida gandoa jetung utananti is also can. Right. So let's say you want to put it. Can we put it like this? Maybe can also. The Senani having come here to conquer the enemy, rise up. I think it's also can. It's not so bad if we're going to write in this way. Okay. So we can just swap around. We can, all right. So in Pali, the word order is not important. Main thing is the sentence should be correct. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So next one. So we can put the that. So far, you can see we put the ida is a place here. Now we put the that. Normally, that we try to put in the beginning. As we learn the basic, we try to put the that in the beginning so it's easy. Okay, now from here on, I don't put much. So it's supposed to be filled in the blank by you all. So we can do it together. That, noun, verb. So you can put the that in beginning. There's a noun, there's a verb. Okay, now today we are going to make the Pali sentence together. Okay. Today, teacher with students come, will come, should come, may come. Okay, might come. All right, so let's try to make this sentence together. Let's start with Kuma. Can you make this sentence? Today. What is today?
Aja.
Okay, aja, right? Teacher?
Teacher should be Acharya.
Yes.
Achari.
Okay, acharya. Okay, we're going to put the Pali word first. Later, we will change it to nominative, all right? So we put acharya. Okay, what is student? Do you remember? If you
No,
Sisa, okay?
Sisa.
Okay, now. All right, now, who is the subject so far? Or maybe, okay, let's do the verb first. What is the verb for comes?
Agachati.
Agachati, okay? Will come?
Agachisati.
Agachisati, okay? Should come?
Agachayu. Agachaya.
Agachaya, okay?
Chayu.
Yeah. May come?
May come. Agachatu.
Agachatu, okay? Okay, now. So we get most of things right already. Let's change it to who is the subject here? You have to ask your question. Who is the subject?
Teacher. Achari.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay, so subject we should put in which case?
Nominative.
Okay, so we should put in,
Should it be Acharyo?
yeah, masculine,
Achari.
nominative, singular, right? So acharyo, right?
Acharyo.
Yes. Okay. So sisa. Now with students. Okay. So what kind of case ending should you put? With.
With. Let me try it. Sisa.
Which case ending? You just think about it. There are 8 case endings. So which one
Yes.
should we put? The third one. I think the fourth one or third one. Okay, so
okay. It's instrumentative.
Instrumental, right? Instrumental. Okay, so as sisa is masculine, so instrumental, singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay. Now, so what is plural? How should we change the case ending here?
Sisebi, sisebi.
Yes, isabi or
Sisebi.
he. Okay. He, okay. He. Okay, now we want to put the word together. Okay, so we're going to add on one word together.
Together.
So what is the word together in Pali?
No idea.
Sadim.
Oh, study.
Saha. Okay. Okay. So, okay, so the sentence is quite complicated. Acha, acharyo, sisebi, sisehi, sadim, saha, agachati, agachisati, agacheyo, agachatu. Okay. Everybody agree? Anybody not agree? I think everybody prefer to agree, so you all don't need to think so hard. All right. Okay, next one. When I put like this means it's a new vocabulary, all right? Okay, let's start with Maggie. Tomorrow.
Suwe or sue.
Okay, Zue or Sue, yes. General, we saw the word general before.
Senani.
Yani. Better, I already put here. Sangama, okay? Now,
Yeah.
all right. Okay, now, who is the subject here? You have to ask yourself, who is the subject here?
Senani.
Okay, so it's a subject. If the subject, what kind of case should we put in?
Nominative.
Okay, you should say masculine,
Masculine,
nominative.
nominative, singular.
Okay, now better is it
Better,
is it
better
some
is instrumental.
not instrumental. Is it subject or object here?
Object.
Okay, object, right? So how should you put object? In which case?
Mm,
Object in which case?
not sure.
Accusative.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, singular or
Possessive.
plural here?
Singular.
Okay, right. Now, how should we put the case ending for Sangama? Case ending for accusative is?
Ena. So sangga.
No, accusative.
Oh, sorry. Sangganam.
Sangamam,
Mum.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, Suwe, Sue, Senani, Sangamam. Now, what is will win in? Now, okay, I put here, word win means Aya is objective, right? Jineya. Okay,
Yes.
so what is will win? Will win? The word win is, what is the word win in Pali? Win is
G.
Ji, Na, Ti. Okay. Now, how are you going to change it to will win?
Jinisati.
Jinisati. Okay, good. Okay, now imperative may come, would come, may come, let them come, and so on. So it should be
Jitu.
Ji,
Ji. Jintu.
not Jitu.
Eh?
The verbal base is Jina, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
based on Jina, you take out the Ti.
Jinantu.
Okay,
Jinatu.
Jinatu. Okay, Jinatu. Okay. So the sentence should be, can you read the Pali? The whole Pali should be Sue,
Sue or Sue.
Sue, yes.
Senani.
Mm-hmm.
Sanggamam. Jinisati or Jineya or Jinatu.
Okay, good. So all agree? Everybody not agree? Okay. Pass. You pass it.
Saji,
Yes.
just a minute. May come, it should be may win, right?
Oh, okay,
Jinatu.
sorry. Thank you. So we have a QC here. Thank you very much. So yeah, all right. May win. Okay, now next one. So now, okay, so we can see the sentence from the that, noun and verb. So today we are going to use adverb. Now in adverb, how are you going to use adverb in Bali? Okay, there are many ways. One way we can put the ena, instrumental. All right, there's one way. You know the ena means how you going to kamakaro. So anybody know what is kamakaro? This inside the vocabulary. Kamakaro. What is kamakaro?
Is it worker?
Worker.
Yes, okay. So worker. Okay. Now what is the meaning of sukha? Sukha means happy, all right? How many the meaning of dukkha is?
Unhappy.
Unhappy, okay, or suffering. Okay. Karoti means
Make. Do.
do, okay, do, okay. Does, all right. Now, so we can if we are using ena, okay, but before that, okay, so masculine, nominative, singular. So this will be masculine. Actually, sukha sometimes, yeah, it's a neuter. Sometimes I think it has three case. Yeah, it's a neuter here. Let's see. neuter. Okay, it has 3 cases. When adjective, sometimes in 3 cases, or sometimes it can be neuter also. Yeah, okay, we take it as a neuter. So you can see adjective, all right? So every time when you see the Pali dictionary, it's your adjective, that means that it had three gender. That means that it can qualify to masculine, neuter, or feminine. And when you see N here, means it's a neuter. Okay, so let's take it as neuter. So let's say neuter, when you learn later, is actually quite same with masculine. So instrumental, all right? So it's instrumental. And this is a present tense, third person singular. All right. Now, how shall we translate the whole sentence? Let's see. Sister Budika Cho. So how shall we translate the whole sentence?
The worker
Okay.
does
The worker, yes,
yeah
does
suffer does
Does.
instrumental
okay, so maybe we can put the word does work suffering or happily, okay? It's a adverb. So happily or
suffering happily or
does work suffering. Okay. So yeah, because it's adverb, so we can translate in this way, with suffering, okay? With suffering also. Okay, can also. Since we want to follow the instrumental here. Can or not? The worker does work happily or does work with suffering. Now, what is work in Pali? If you want, you can put also another one. Kamam. Okay, let's put something. Kamam means work. Maybe kamam better done, because kamam may just refer to the karma, you know, so it's better be confused. So let's put the word kichap. Kichap means matter. Okay, word also can. You see this, sometimes we call it the word function. Okay, I think it's okay. So this will be the then, okay. So this is a kichap, I think it's neuter. So let me check. Yeah, it's also neuter. Purisa. It can be Purisa here. You can see the Myanmar dictionary. It's Purisa on N is neuter. So it's a neuter here. Work the service should be done. Okay, so we take it as neuter since we are going to learn neuter also. So neuter, acquisitive singular. Okay. So is it okay? The worker does. So we don't need this one already. A worker does a work. We have to put a work. A word happily or with suffering. All right, anybody? Everybody can operate. All right, next one. Adjective, beautiful, ugly, weak. Noun, verb. Like suwano. Now, what is ugly in Pali? Anybody? Now you see the word wano means what? Wana means
beauty, is it?
yeah. Wana means pretty. Yeah, it's a caste system, appearance. Wana, caste system. So wana refer to good thing. I think we better put the word suwana dot dot. Okay, gold or beautiful. Okay, let's put the dot dot there. So let's say su. Remember the word we say prefix su means good. So wana is a kind of like color or skin. So good color or good skin means beautiful. So how should you translate the word ugly? Do we have dukwana? Actually, we have the Pali word also. Dukwana. Ugly. Okay? Dukwana. Okay, so this from the prefix su and wana. So this prefix is like do plus a wana. So when you combine, you change it to dubana. So wana means good. Prefix gudu is good. Do is bad. So we see just now dubana. So beautiful, ugly, and then a man. Weak is this one. Weak is a dubala. Dubala also same. Do plus the bala. I think should be bala. Bala. Okay, 2 bala week. So now we need something. So you have the adverb here. You here now we learn adjective. So adjective just happen before the noun. Okay. Adjective happen before the noun. So every time try to put adjective in front. Normally that's why. But in Sutta, sometimes adjective also can happen later. So adjective before the noun, puliso. So walks, gachati. So suwano, puliso, gachati. Dubano, puliso, gachati. Dubalo, puliso, gachati. All right. So this is function of this one. Okay, I think that's enough for today. So we will stop here.
Sayaji, walks can say kachati. Kachati is go,
Oh
is
yeah,
it?
okay, sorry.
Charati,
Okay. Yeah, okay. Charati. Okay, so okay, charati better. Charati. Okay. So gachati is goes. Okay. So gachati charati. Thank you very much. So it's good to have you all participate also, because if not, I feel today's Monday is tiring for you all. Go work. Okay, so we finish here. So in the printout, I already put the sharing of merit. So we are going to do it next week. So we will just refer to printout. So let's share the good merits with all the departed one and all sentient beings. So maybe we can invite one of you to chant. Sister Chai, you can chant, please.
Okay, Saji. Sharing of merits.
Mm.
Imam no punya bagam sapa satanam dema. Imam no punya bagam sapa satanam dema. Imam no punya bagam sapa satanam dema. Idam no nyatinam hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idam no nyatinam hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idam no nyatinam hotu sukita hontu nyatayo.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank
next
you.
person. Let's see. Sister Guat, are you able? Sister Guat Chin Chua. Can you lead the sharing marriage with the Devas?
Akasatacha Bhumata Dewa Naga Mahidika Punyatam Anumotitva Chiram Rakantu Sasanam
Okay, so
sorry.
okay, thank you. Yeah, so next week we're going to study here. Now, this is Akasata cha Bhummata Devanaga Mahitika Punyam. This one you have to remember, this is NY. Punyam. Punyam tam anumoditva chirarakantu sasanam. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. All right. So we will stop here. I think some of you look quite tired to me. Okay, so we continue next week. So you can continue to do the exercise like what we do just now. We go word by word. I put the English, then you try to fill in the Pali. All right. So it will be good revision for you all. And also try to read today, because today actually is kind of like, it's in the midpoint, but it's very important. It give you the revision of the past lessons, and it show you what is the future lesson will be. Okay. Anyway, all the lessons are important, not to say only today. Thank you very much. Sadhu, sadhu,
Thank you,
sadhu.
Sayaji.
Thank you, Sayaji.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sayaji.
Saji.
Thank you, Sayaji. Good night,
Thank you,
everybody.
Sayaji.
Thank you. Good
Bye,
night.
Thank you.
Saji. Sadhu,
Thank
sadhu,
you.
sadhu.
Good night.